Good evening, students. I'm Dr. Madhurima Bhaumik. Today, let us discuss about genetic disorder. So, what is genetic disorder? It is a health disease, right? Why this health disease occurs? Because of the changing DNA sequence. Okay. So normally whatever functioning we have, whatever characteristics we have, or whatever functions we are doing, that is because of the information that is present in a coded form in the gene, which is a segment of DNA, right? So if you see the DNA, the information will be present in a coded form in the DNA, and that will be present in a particular sequence. The genes are present in a particular sequence. Let us express it like this: A, B, C, D, E. Okay, it's just an example to understand that the genes are present in a particular sequence which will be responsible for our normal growth and function. If there is change in the sequence of the gene, then that is called as mutation. Okay? That is responsible for the genetic disorder. Now, is the mutation always causing genetic disorder? No. Mutation means change in gene structure. Most of the cases, the mutation is neutral. Neutral mutation, or we'll tell it as a silent mutation, where there is no change in the function, or it is not affecting our features. Okay, so that is neutral mutation. Sometimes mutation is beneficial, which is actually helping from preventing different types of diseases like like heart disease. Okay, but rarely, or it can happen, that the mutation is responsible for changing the structure in a way that will alter the function, or that will have an impact on the growth and also the normal functioning, which is responsible for the genetic disorder. Okay, so this genetic disorder can be because of the change in the single gene. So it is single gene mutation, or we can tell it as a monogenic disorder. Like, let us give an example: cystic fibrosis. This disease is because of single gene mutation. Or sickle cell anemia. Okay. Sometimes genetic disorder is because of many genes, multiple genes. So, mutation due to multiple gene. What do we call it? We call it as a multifactorial inherited disorder. Example, cleft palate or autism. Okay, so first one is if there is one gene change or mutation, that is monogenic disorder, and if there is mutation occurring because of multiple gene, which is called multifactorial inherited disorder. Okay, now mutation or genetic disorder can also occur because of the combination of the change in the gene and environmental factor. Okay, so it can be combination of gene mutation and environmental factors. Like change in the lifestyle, you very well know that causes diabetes or any cardiovascular diseases. Okay, so that is also a genetical disorder. Okay, now if you see the secret of the human genome means the complete set of human gene. Okay, you can see that some of the gene mutation gets inherited. Inherited means it is going from the parents to the offspring. Okay, that is inherited mutation. For example, sickle cell anemia is an inherited mutation. And other mutation which occurs in the lifetime, that is the acquired mutation. Okay. Mutation causing the genetical disorder can also occur because of the chromosome. Okay, you already know chromosome means what? Chromosome is DNA plus protein. Okay, so this chromosomal change can be numerical, change in number. We can tell it as numerical aberration. Okay, or it can be structural. Okay, for example, you have heard about the Down's syndrome. Okay, this is a genetical disorder where there is an extra chromosome 21. Okay, extra chromosome 21. Structural changes means there can be different type of structural changes that we can study in details. It will be a separate chapter because it's a big chapter, whole genetic disorder. There are variety of genetical disorder that we have to study. In case of the structural, it can be deletion. That means a part or a segment of the DNA is lost. Okay, that will change the functioning because that segment responsible for whatever function that will not be there. Okay, or there will be duplication, a segment is duplicated. there can be inversion. A segment is just inverted. You have seen A, B, C, D. Instead of B, C, if it gets inverted and again join as C, B. Okay, so inversion and also translocation. Okay, so all these structural changes are also responsible for genetical disorder. So genetical disorders, how can we understand? By genetic testing. Okay, so testing from the blood or chick cells will give the information about that, or prenatal testing will be giving the information about the genetical abnormality or genetical disorders. Okay, and the genetical counseling is also done to make the family understand about the problems and about how to deal with it. Okay, if you consider about the treatment of this disease, it depends on the change in the lifestyle. Okay, and also a better way of dealing with it is to support. Okay, and now new therapies have come like gene therapy to treat the disease. So this is all a little bit about the genetic disorder. We will study in details about the genetic disorder in our next class. Okay, till then, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.